Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable OneDrive in Windows 11. It's really simple and easy. So OneDrive can be useful, but if you no longer need it, then you might as well go and turn it off and disable it. You need to come to the bottom right of your computer and there you should go and see the OneDrive icon. You may need to go and tap on the show hidden icons to go and see it. But in this case, I can see it here. So we can go and click on the icon like so, and then we can go to the top right of this section and click on this gear icon and then simply go for this settings. So in settings you can come into this sync and backup first of all, and you can just go and turn these settings off here, and you can tap on off, tap on manage backup and turn off these different backups here as well. So that's one way you can turn it off and disable it. The next way is if you go over to the left and click on account, you can go and unlink it from the computer. So click on unlink this PC, then unlink account, and then you will be completely signed out from OneDrive. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to disable OneDrive in Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.